Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about a new custom ROM for Redmi 5. As you can see, this is a Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the specification. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. As you can see, let's check here. You can see you will get this is the Awaken version, Awaken OS. This is the Awaken ROM 1.5.2 as your official ROM. This is the version, Android version 11. As you can see, Android R is installed January 5, 2021. Latest security patch enforcing Linux enforcing. Let's check the build date. Here is the 26 January build date. Let's check the features of this ROM. What are the features and the bugs of this ROM? First, let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Wi-Fi. You can easily use the Wi-Fi without any problem. And Jio and here you can see I have inserted Jio and BSNL dual SIM is working. And Volt is also working. There is no problem in the Volt. Each and every quick settings buttons are working. Bluetooth button is also working. As you can see, battery indication, battery is Bluetooth is already connected. As you can see, Euroto 5003 connected, battery 60%, battery is also working perfectly, and you will get the icon also in the status bar. Wi-Fi is no internet because I have turned off the Wi-Fi in the my device. And the hotspot is also working. There is no problem in the hotspot. You can easily connect the hotspot without any problem. You can easily share the internet. Yeah, hotspot, there is no restart of hotspot. Here is the Awaken setting. These are the themes and the customization of this ROM. Dark theme, here is the dark theme is available in this ROM. As you can see, clock style is also available. You can change the clock style. Analog, it is all working perfectly. There is no problem. Let me apply this. As you can see, it works perfectly. There is no problem. And the camera, here is the camera performance is not good. You can install the Google camera. I don't recommend this camera. You can install the Google camera. Color bucket is also available. Night, you can change the background theme also. As you can see, dark gray is also available. Ribbon black is also available. Here is the ribbon black. You can set it according to your use. All works perfectly. All the features are working. The feature which does not work, I will tell you about that in the description or in the video. OnePlus body font is also available. Icon shape, these all the features are working. Switch appearance is also working. Volume panel stock Oreo. Here you can see you will get the Oreo one. Tiled मिल जाएगी. Tiled, here is the tiled one. QS tile style is also available. New tint style, as you can see, you will get the new tint style in the QS settings. Requires reboot. As you can see, this one is the old one. If I enable it, you will get the new one. As you can see, customize rounded corners also available. Here is the status bar. 4G icon instead of LTE is also available. Battery style, big circle is also available. Small circle, dotted circle. This percentage inside is also available. You can enable the Volt icon if the Volt icon is not coming in your device. As you can see, you will get the Volt icon after enabling the status bar icon. Quick settings, here are the few quick settings. All the features are working. I have fully tested the ROM. Buttons, here are the buttons, wake buttons on the volume keys on the left is also available. As you can see, navigation bar tuner is also available. You can use the gestures or navigation bar according to your use. As you can see, it is lagging right now. It is not working. Sometimes it lags. And the second problem, and there is a one most problem in this ROM. It takes a lot of time to restart or shut down your device. To reboot your device, if you click on the reboot, it will take approximate 15 minutes to reboot your device. And it is stuck on the settings icon. As you can see, it is lagging right now. It is not yet stable in Android 11, so I do not recommend this ROM for daily use. It is getting stuck. Here you can see that if your device gets stuck in this on the lock screen or any other home screen, here you can see I am locking my device. It is still not working. If I reboot my device, it will take approximate 15 to 20 minutes to boot my device. So it takes a lot of time in the booting. I do not recommend this ROM for daily usage and for not for also gaming, as I do not suggest this ROM for daily usage. So don't use this for gaming also. This will lag. This ROM is lagging right now without playing any game. As you can see, touch is not responsive. in this ROM. Why I don't know. As you can see, after 2-3 times I have rebooted my device, there is same problem. Touch does not work. I will not test the Call of Duty, which ROM I do not recommend. I will not test the gaming performance. And the Antutu I have done, but it is not working right now, so I will not able to give you the Antutu. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.